So this is something that's big, all right? And when I say big, I don't mean just big. I mean like everybody know. I'm surprised if you guys haven't heard the term chaffle. What is a chaffle? I'd look it up. I'm like, what's a chaffle? Everybody keeps showing chaffles, and they look like waffles, but they're chaffles. So I looked it up, and they're cheese waffles. So it's waffles made out of kind of like a cheese batter, cheese mixture. It's gonna have a few ingredients, and then you put it in a little mini waffle maker. And these are like the latest thing. Chaffles. You can make Oreo cookie chaffles. You can make breakfast sandwich chaffles. You can make McGriddle chaffles. It goes on and on. So this is becoming a great bread replacement. I still like using 0-carb bread, 0-carb bagels, or the egg wraps to wrap my sandwiches and all that stuff. So there's so many options now, guys. So many options to lose weight and bring it in just a little bit. And even if you just cut out bread out of your diet and nothing else, you'll see a difference. Bread, pasta, potatoes, all your carbs, get rid of that stuff. So let's get to this right now, and I will show you. And I've never done this before, so I will show you how to make a chaffle. All right, get this out of the way for a moment. All right, so this is and it's by a company called Dash, but you can get a whole bunch of brands. You can get a Walmart, Target. It's brand new. It's going to come out of the box the first time for this episode. This is the latest, hottest, greatest thing. So we'll show you this in a minute. But first, let's talk about what we need to make our chaffle. We're going to need eggs. We're going to need cheese. Now, this is what I just read today. I didn't have time to get the finely grated cheese. I hear that works better than this shredded stuff. But this is shredded mozzarella, and this is a little bit of almond flour. Yeah, we don't need that. That was lunch today. Get rid of that. That was a 0-carb bagel. So anyway, let's get started making our mixture, and I'll get this plugged in. We want to get this preheated and make our chaffles. You ready? Once again, when I tell you I've never done this before, I honestly have never done this before. So what I want to do is, this is heating up, and stupidly, look, it's got a shape of a pumpkin on it. It's kind of lame. I'm going to have to buy another one. I don't want one with a pumpkin on it. I didn't even realize. I could smell this getting hot. You could smell the factory plastic. It's brand new. It's just got wiped down and washed. So we're just going to let that heat up. And then we're going to, I don't know if this batter is going to make 1 or 2. We're going to take a look at it and we're going to see. All right. So let's, and here's another question. Okay. I've seen some people spray this, and I've seen some people tell you don't put nonstick spray on this. So I don't know. So I'm going to have to do nonstick spray, basically, because I got this. It's kind of it's not nonstick. It's kind of like an olive oil spray. We're going to take our mozzarella cheese, dump it in there. Once again, I don't know how much it's going to make. 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Throw that in there. And drop your egg in here. I'm doing a basic recipe, no seasoning for today, just to see if I can make one. That's it. So let's get a grip on this. So it looks like that. It's got almond flour, egg, and cheese in there. All right, that's your batter. So let's mix it all up, see how it does. There we go. Whoops, hold on a minute. There we go. Now I'm not sure. I guess I need a spoon to apply this to the hot surface. So here we go. Looks like it's totally hot. Take a little spray to it. Okay. Turn that towards me. There we go. There we go. It's kind of sizzly. All right. Then we're going to take our... Oh, it smells good. Because it's burning the Here we go. Here we go. Get that on there. Looks like this recipe does 1 chaffle. I'm guessing. Let's just put it all on there. There we go. Get that on there. Close that up. And they say when it stops smoking, which I don't see it smoking at all, but when it gets really light on the smoking, that's pretty much when it's done. All right, let's put together our sandwich right now. We got 2 of these chaffles made. Come on. A little mustard. I hate when the water comes out. A little lettuce. A little meat. Some tomatoes. There you go. Cover that up, and I got the pumpkin one on the outside, but that's what it looks like. That's a chaffle sandwich right there. All right, guys, this is a chaffle sandwich. Wow, that's pretty good. I'm definitely making this again. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, all right?